We have the Toshiba VFD Fault EPH1, that's called 008 also. It is input phase failure. Okay, so we will give complete troubleshooting guide for this. So first, if you have Toshiba VFD, go to the parameter F608. Okay, input phase failure detection. Please go and enable this. Okay, and second, if it is showing that input phase failure, so you need to check that all input RYB L1 L2 L3 are properly connected at the input end. And if you found that it is connected properly at the input end, then check the voltage in between each L1 L2 L1 L3. Okay, so it will clarify that voltage is proper at input terminal. And second could be that terminal could be broken. Okay, and third could be that capacitor into the main circuit are exhausted, like that burns. So this also could be the reason. And if these all things are properly, so it would be like when after the capacitor inside of the VFD, in that part there is a problem. So to resolve that at that level, you need a repair person or company Toshiba. So you can call to the repair center of the Toshiba. So this also could be the reason, and you can get the solution for this. If still your problem is not resolved, so you can write a mail to us, which is given here. And if you want to purchase new VFD, then also you can write here. And if you want to have one complete PDF for the training of VFD, with that you can learn each and everything about the VFD, and it will be very helpful. And you can understand what is the VFD, how it works, how to resolve the problem of this VFD. With that PDF, you can get each and everything, and you can resolve your all the problems, or you can write mail.